Sustainability of water means that we want our water supply to stay clean and plentiful and work not only for us, but for future generations. In Canada, our land is so interwoven with water that we forget it can be a scarce resource in many parts of the world. And while technically water is a renewable resource because of the elements in the water cycle, it is possible to use it up faster than it can replenish itself. We need to take care of it as stewards. What's a steward? A steward is someone who manages another's affairs or property. In this case, the property we are talking about is water. And as water stewards, we must treat water as though it is the property of future generations. If we think about our own water footprints, we can first consider how we can decrease the waste of water directly. Like these sailors. When they are on these ships, they are limited to the amount of water they can use or consume. They do things like take strategic showers. A strategic shower in your own home might look something like this. Let water run warm. And if you have plants, collect the water and water your plants with it. Then get in and get wet. After that, turn the water off. After that, you can simply stand there, shampoo and soap, turn the water back on and rinse quickly. How much water can this save? About 15,000 of these paint cans. That's almost 50,000 liters per year. And what about brushing your teeth?
2 to 3 times a day.
Once you start brushing, you can turn that water off. That saves 700 liters per month for one person. Okay, now let's look at the more mysterious task of decreasing our indirect use of water. First, we can research on sites like waterfootprint.org. It lists water usage facts for several industries, foods, and products. If you are concerned about where it gets its facts, you can go to the bottom of the page and download all of their certified academic research. And then apply some of that information as you consider the many purchases you make in a day, a week, a year, in your lifetime. You could spread the word to everyone about the inefficient and irresponsible waste that goes into the creation of so many of our products. You can also be proactive and find companies that are actually aware of their own water footprint and account for it, trying to rethink how they can recycle water and change the way their industrial process uses water. Those are companies that you can support. That is a standard you can demand from other companies and industries from whom you purchase goods and services. What else can you do as a water steward? If you're watching this at home, talk to your siblings or parents. If you're watching this at school, talk with your classmates and teachers. What other innovative ways can you directly and indirectly address our ever-expanding water footprints?